Okay, after scraping, and then I ended up using a sandpaper that was worn down a lot, but still worked, and it was just right for this because it wasn't too or it wasn't too aggressive, but aggressive enough to take some stuff off. And the other nice thing about this sandpaper is if it does get buildup, and it did, you can bend it and chip it off with your fingernails. So that's the other nice thing about this newer sandpaper. I say newer, it's been around quite a few years, but it wasn't when I originally started. So I got it cleaned off like I wanted to. I eased the edges a little bit more over on this belt. And you can see it did leave some stuff, but I can gently wire brush that off, and that will be looking new again. And I'm putting a tongue oil on right now. So the idea of this test was I was doing a different pattern in each quadrant to see what I liked and just to see how it looked, and just testing the technique. At the time I was shown how to do this, it was like a family secret. Like my great uncle showed it to me, but he didn't show anybody else. Now others do know about it. He did give me permission to show someone else, and now with the internet, you can find a lot of other stuff. And there's probably others out there doing this. I don't know for sure, but it is unique. You don't see it a lot. It's all different types of wood. It was a dramatic change in my woodworking at the time. I was doing other stuff, and when I was showed how to do this, I switched immediately and started doing other stuff like this, and it was kind of one of the big stepping stones in my woodworking hobby career. So I'm going to finish oiling this, and it really is, I don't know, it's looking as nice as probably the day I originally did it. It's looking great. So it cleaned up really nice. It did take some time and patience, but it's some good elbow grease, good workout. Switch from right to left so I didn't have any, because if you do too much on one way, you can have an injury that you didn't realize later on. Okay, so looking great. You can see the sumac, that's that green. This looks like oh gosh, I can't think of the name right now, but I should know what that is. There's cherry in there. I don't know, maybe some maple in here. Just different types of wood. I don't remember everything I was working with at the time. But could be locust. Maybe that's what it was. I don't remember. I started testing out all different woods at the time, and sumac doesn't grow very big, but you don't need very much. So I was able to cut some and cut strips out of it. Okay, looks great. Let's finish it up.